Good morning, students. Today we will study about French Revolution, and in this chapter we will try to know the answer of this question: what measures were taken by the revolutionaries to promote collective identity or nationalism. Answer of this question you will find in NCERT textbook on page number 5. Page 5. Okay. Ever since the French Revolution and destruction of monarchy, when the revolutionary government was formed in France, they took a series of measures to promote collective identity or national feeling among the French people. Okay, the first was that the idea of la patrie, that is fatherland, and the les citoyens, I think that is the EOYEN, les citoyens, that is citizens, was promoted. Means all the country is fatherland and all the people living there are just equal as brothers and sisters. Earlier, the concept was that of ruler and ruled. The king is ruler and the people are ruled. Now, in that place, everybody are now citizens. They are enjoying equal right under a constitution. The second thing done was that the State General declared itself to be the National Assembly. State General declared itself to be the National Assembly, representing 90% of the people. Hence, the elected body of the people that claim to represent the whole country. उसने कहा कि मैं देश का प्रतिनिधित्व करती हूँ, इसलिए राजा का अब मैं कोई चुनी हुई सहायक संस्था नहीं हूं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, वन कॉमन फ्लैग was chosen, which replaced the earlier royal flag. New national anthem was composed. National anthem. Okay, and those martyrs who became martyrs, they were commemorated in the name of nation. मतलब जो भी शहीद होता था उसका सम्मान पहले राजा के नाम पे होता था, अब देश के नाम पे हो रहा है. देश के लिए एक झंडा है, देश का एक नेशनल एंथम है. तो दीज मेजर्स वर टेकन टू प्रमोट. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ, a centralized administration. One centralized administration was introduced throughout France so that people could feel that they are ruled by one country, okay, or one law. Then equality before law was implemented. सब लोग कानून के सामने बराबर हैं, सबों को बराबर कानूनी अधिकार है। तो पहले जो प्रिविलेज्ड क्लास और अनप्रिविलेज्ड क्लास था, इसका बंटवारा खत्म हो गया। अब कानून के सामने सब बराबर है, तो उनके अंदर एक यूनिटी की फीलिंग आएगी। ओके, एंड इंटरनल कस्टम ड्यूटीज वर एबॉलिश्ड। फ्रांस में कई सारे कस्टम ड्यूटी लगते थे, उन सबों को हटा दिया गया। यूनिफॉर्म करेंसी और इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स लागू किया गया फ्रांस में। और लिंग्विस्टिक फ्रेंच एज इट वाज स्पोकन इन पेरिस, that language was introduced throughout the country to promote collective identity or the feeling of unity among the French people. So these were some of the measures which were taken by the revolutionary government to promote common identity among French people. Thank you, please. Some of the questions we will deal in next videos.